as a robotics people are concerned, we try to build up a more relationship with the education sector in such a way that the students who are studying who are basically seeing all these things, they get more and more fascinated towards the robotics field. And basically, I just in my lecture also I just want to say that the robotics is one of the fields which includes so many domains, so many disciplines. So I just say that if we are incorporating, if we are designing, if we are having an interface between the industry and the education sector, we should have the educational level of the students are also going to be enhanced, and also the we can say that the students should able to understand what type of hacking are going on in the industry. Instead of just studying the books and just doing the same type of projects, same type of lab experiments, they just have to interact with the industry people. So my reason is from my side that we should have to make such type of collaboration, and I'm positively looking forward for this. Thank you.
Now I would like to invite Professor T.V. Sharma for addressing the guest.
Professor Kapoor, Professor Rohila, Dr. Chaudhary, Dr. Singh, and my very dear distinguished alumnus, young alumnus of Delhi College of Engineering, Manish Kumar, brilliant here from Tata Motors R&D, very dear participants, young friends. I am indeed more than happy if you really ask me when I met you on the very first day of this workshop. I did more my